Imagine a beautifully engineered car sitting in your driveway. It has a flawless engine, a pristine fuel tank, and perfectly polished chassis. But without a battery to spark the ignition, it remains a cold, motionless heap of metal. In the human body, that invisible spark, the ultimate battery that breathes life into our physical cell, is what Samuel Hahnemann called the vital force. According to Aphorism 9 of the Organon of Medicine, the vital force is the spiritual, self-moving, untamed energy that dynamically animates our material organism. It is the silent coordinator running in the background of your biology every single millisecond. It regulates your heartbeat, balances your hormones, heals a paper cut, and maintains a flawless, harmonious equilibrium known as health. When you are healthy, the vital force keeps the body running so perfectly that your mind is completely free to pursue the higher purpose of human existence. Disease does not start as a physical mistake. It never begins with a logical tumor, a skin rash, or a chemical imbalance. Those physical changes are merely the final material end products of a deeper problem. True sickness begins when an invisible, dynamic environmental stressor, whether it is emotional, grief, environmental toxins, or a virulent pathogen, deranges the invisible harmony of your vital force. Once this spiritual battery is drained or destabilized, it can no longer govern the body smoothly. The hardware begins to glitch, and that internal chaos reflects outward onto the physical plane as a symptoms. A symptom is simply the vital force screaming for help. Conventional medicine often tries to fix the problem by attacking the physical symptoms directly, cutting out the tissue or chemically forcing a hormone to change. But that is like tapping over the check engine light on your dashboard and pretending the car is fixed. You haven't touched the underlying electrical glitch. This is where true homeopathic healing takes place because the vital force is dynamic, spiritual energy. It can never be influenced by crude material chemicals. It only responds to a similar dynamic energetic force. When you receive a highly potentized, infinitesimal homeopathic remedy, you are not taking a chemical drug. You are administering a targeted packet of dynamic energy. This medicinal wave perfectly mimics the internal disturbance, gently catching the attention of the deranged vital force. It gives the vital force a clear artificial mirror of its own struggle, effectively waking it up from its sluggish state. Stir into action, the vital force rallies its internal defense mechanism, throws off the artificial medicinal disease, and naturally clears the original sickness from the inside out. The homeopathic remedy does not cure you. The doctor does not cure you. The remedy simply gives the correct energetic prompt to your internal battery, and your own awakened vital force achieves the magnificent, lasting work of cure. Thank you.